Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. That's my, you can say, the way I just start my any video. So the main topic of this video, I just want to share something to you. So many mentors, they got a problem. So changing this date, okay, like for you can say. So we have a December month, we have to change the December, but you can see this is August, right? As you can see, everyone's, I think, just like that. So how to change? It's kind of difficult because first you have to go, August, September, and now October, November, and after then, so you have to put like this, one, and 1 second you have to do, like this, it's quite difficult like this to do, right? November in this way, and it's quite difficult. So even it takes time, right? It's not difficult, but it takes a lot of time to do this thing. Okay, it's kind of not so much good, right? So yeah, like this, we have to do those things out there. So I just figured out the way. So how you don't need to change it. Okay, everything out there. What you have to do is there is a one solution for it. So as you can see here, so I have given the every access of this attendance. This is just an example that I'm just giving you guys. Okay. So for example, let's say you don't need to change everything at once, but what you can do is, for example, let's say if today is the 1st December, so you can just change that for this thing. Okay, like this. Okay, let me show you how it's possible. Okay, as you can see here, so you can see, like a student see like this out there, so okay, so there is a plus point. You can see, there is it's a bar. You can create a new point, a new thing. Okay, like this. You can just cross there, and you can just type a name, whatever you just, let's say period. Okay, because we want to create a period. Okay, and as you can see here, so just click here, and you can see there are many options. Okay, type, you can see the type, and you can say text. Okay, you just click here. You can just, there are many things you can just create here. Okay, like you can say like text, number, select, multi select, but what we want is we want date. Okay, so date, like this. Okay, like this, we want date out there. So when we create date, just click there. Okay, now it just happens. Now just, can you see here? You can see, like November 1, November 2, it's quite easy, right? November 3, quite easy, right? That means when you create this, in which date you create this, so it automatically gives that date. Okay, so that means, for example, let's say, okay, let me bring this here. I guess you can also shift this thing, okay, like this here in this way. Okay, let me give you one example. For example, let's say I just want to change this August 4, okay, in November 4. But for that matter, what I have to do here, as you can see here, we have to go August, September, October, November, and only then you can just go 4. But in this case, you already automatically here, okay, just 4, right? Quite easy, right? Quite easy, like this. Write this, okay, like this, you can just do. Okay, like this you can do. Okay, so right now it's like 29th November. So while making this video, that's the reason it's doing that way. But so you can change this thing every month. Okay, you can delete this thing. Okay, so what you can do is to delete this thing, like click there, and here, delete property. Okay, delete property, you can see delete property. Okay, it comes here like a period. Okay, like this, or duration, you can say whatever it is. Okay, a date, or we can say whatever it is. Okay, date, like this. Like this, you can also change their name. Okay, like this you can also do, like November 7, like a number 8, like this. Okay, November 9. So that means every month, so whenever you have to make attendance, so just create another one. Okay, and delete this one. Okay, create another one and delete this one. For example, let's say, let me show you how to create once again. So click here in this button. Okay, click there, and you can write, let's say, period. Okay, or let's say duration, whatever it is. Okay, duration, and click there. Okay, click, and you can say type. Okay, you can choose the what you want function, like if you want like a number select and multi select status, whatever it is, but we want date, right? We want date, that's the reason. So it already created. Okay, like this. Now you can see the automatic date is like, you can see November, because this is month is November right now. So what I'm doing, you can also see the dates it's showing. Okay, like this, you can do that. Okay, so yeah, so like this you can do. Okay, did you get it? So like this you have to change. Okay, when you do that, so it's, you can say it's a smart way to do that, to change this, okay? Because you have full access to change this thing, and every month you can change like this, so that you can have easy access, or easily you can just change the timing, okay? So always remember, guys, so it's a December, okay? You have to start from the December 1, December 2, December 3, like this, okay? These are November, but you have to do what? You have to do December 1, okay? So December 2, like this, okay? December 3, okay, like this. You have to do December 4, like this. You have to do, okay? You have to do like December 1, December 2, December 3, like, so here you have to do December, let's say 31, okay? And in total, what you have to do is, so okay, okay, so what I do is, like, in a total, you have to write the total sessions, okay? Total sessions. So what you have to do, you have to write the total sessions of a student A, student B, student C, like this, okay? You have to mention total sessions out there, okay? Like this. Okay, for example, let's say the total sessions is okay, it's like you can say, like, let's say 20 sessions in a month of December, like this. You can ask total sessions, okay? So it will be very much easy for me to also understand so how many sessions you have done, okay? I don't need to count like every single people's sessions out there, so that it will be very much easy, okay? Like this you have to do, okay? In the end, total, you have to put total, okay? You have to write it down in here, total sessions, like this, okay? So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you got what I trying to say, and everything is there, okay? So it will be very much easy for you. So that, thank you so much, guys, for watching this wonderful video. It's just 2-3 minutes of video, and then if you have any confusion, so I'll let you know in our mentors meeting also once again, okay? Thank you so much. Have a good day to you guys.